In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Lovable website for free. By the end, you'll have a live, shareable link to your project, all hosted at no cost. First, on your PC, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Sign into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see your project's dashboard. Find the website or app you're ready to publish. If you're working with multiple projects, double-check the name and thumbnail so you open the right one. Click your website or project to enter its workspace. Inside the project, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Publish button. This is what pushes your latest version live. Go ahead and click Publish. You'll see a panel or dialog with publishing options. For a straightforward launch, simply leave the default settings exactly as they are. These defaults are designed to work well for most projects, so there's no need to tweak anything right now. Keeping the defaults helps ensure a smooth, consistent deployment without unexpected behavior. When you're ready, click Publish again to confirm. Lovable will start building and deploying your project. You may see a short progress indicator as it prepares your site. This usually takes a moment depending on your project's size and assets. Just let it finish. There's nothing else you need to adjust. As soon as the publish completes, Lovable will provide a live link that ends with .lovable.app. This is your free hosting URL. Copy that link, open it in a new tab, and you'll see your website live on the internet. That's it, your site is now hosted for free. You can share this URL with teammates, clients, or friends, and they'll be able to visit the same live version you're seeing. A couple of quick tips as you review your live site. Give the page a hard refresh if assets appear cached, and scroll through key pages to confirm layouts and images look right. If you spot anything you want to change, just return to your project in Lovable, make your edits, and repeat the same publish flow to push the updates. It's a simple cycle that keeps your site current. To wrap up, you opened lovable.dev and logged in, selected your project, clicked Publish, left the defaults as is, confirmed Publish, and then copied and opened your .lovable.app link. With those few steps, your website is live and ready to share. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly published site.